Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to get working coupon codes for Amazon. So first of all, just go ahead to your browser and just search for it. And as you can see right here, you will see in the Amazon official site, you're gonna find the coupon code, and basically you're gonna find it easier to find it from the official site in Amazon, right? And if we scroll a little bit down right here to the article, it says use the official Amazon coupons page. This is the easiest and most reliable way to find the least invalid promo codes for various products in categories. So basically, if you've gone to any other website to just get a code, it probably won't work on your way to purchase that product. So the most official way and valid in order to get a promo code is to visit the official Amazon coupon page in Amazon. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to see the coupon codes within the Amazon website, and you're gonna use it on your way to checkout. Okay, so basically this is the best way to get a valid promo code for your Amazon purchases. And of course, we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.